I'm Gary DeJager, and my wife is Katie, and we own Brooks Shoes in downtown Waupun. Brooks Shoes has been in Waupun for 85 years. We are an old-fashioned shoe store. So when a new customer comes in, we have them sit down, we measure their feet. We have a card catalog system that every customer who buys shoes here has a card, and we write the shoe they bought down, the size they have, the date they bought it, so that when they come back, we can pull that card and we know what size they wore, what shoe they bought, and we'll ask them, did that work for you? Do you want the same thing? Or maybe they want to try something different. We do a majority of our business is work shoes. We do carry the better quality shoes in here. So in that line, we carry the Red Wings, the Irish Setters, the Works, and the Carolinas, Reeboks. For casual, we have Merrells, New Balance, Florsheim's, and Clark's. So on the women's side, we carry the better quality shoes, especially in New Balance, and we carry the Birkenstocks, which are very good for your foot as well, and they can be resold. We have the Taos, the Cobb Hills, Comfortiva, Aravon, Merrell, SAS, San Antonio shoes. We also have a repair shop. So we do resoles, we do lifts, put new heels on, and numerous other things, repairs that we handle here that you can't find at too many places in the area. We do special orders for people. If they've got a size that we don't have or a color that the shoe comes in that we don't carry, we'll gladly order it for them with no obligation for them to try. After we bought the store, what we didn't realize came with it is the ability to help people. So we get a lot of people that come in that have trouble walking, are elderly, and so getting them in a correct shoe that helps them balance and gets them to be able to walk around and enjoy life in a more comfortable way is very rewarding.